So far, so good. Listen, kids. Tomorrow is your mom's birthday. Tomorrow, we will give your mom a surprise. She will never forget.
Strict rule. Do not mention the word birthday in front of her.
Birthday cake! Shh. Caleb, quiet. Knit.
I will bring the cake and her special gift.
But Dad, how will you bring them without Mom seeing?
That is a tricky question. Let's plan this out.
Good morning! What a beautiful day.
Morning, dear. I have off from office today, but I must visit a friend for work.
David, do you know what date it is today?
Today is Wednesday, August 3rd. I should head out now. See you later, Sarah.
Good morning, my sweet children.
Morning, Mom. Look at my huge tower.
They don't remember either.
Yes, everything is great.
How could they all forget?
Hold on tight, Caleb. Dad will be here soon.
Operation Birthday is GO. Open the door quietly.
Understood, Dad. Moving now. Watch your feet.
Great job, agents. Take the gift under the living room table. Cake goes to the kitchen. Now, I go back out and ring the bell normally. Get into positions.
Coming!
Hi, Sarah. Phew. Today was such an exhausting and long day.
David, are you sure you aren't forgetting something today?
No, I don't think so. What would I forget?
Nothing.
I think I pushed her too far.
I guess everyone is too busy for me now.
If nobody cares, I will celebrate my birthday by myself.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Mom!
You all remembered my birthday?
How could we ever forget the most important day of the year?
Dad wasn't at a friend's house. He went to get your special cake. And we were acting the whole day. It was so hard not to tell you.
Oh, my sweet babies. I love you so much.
Wait a second. Where were you going with this bag?
I thought you all forgot, so I was going out to celebrate alone.
I am so sorry, Sarah. Keeping the surprise secret made you sad. I promise never to do that again.
All that sadness was worth this beautiful moment.
You make every day special for us. Happy birthday, Mom!
This drawing is precious, Nora. Thank you.
Mom, these coupons are all for you. 1 free room cleaning, 1 day no arguing with Nora. Use them whenever.
I am definitely using the no arguing coupon today.
Hey!
But I also kept this because every moment with you is my greatest gift.
This is the best birthday gift ever, David.
Oops. Look at Caleb! He has a cream nose!
Oh, Caleb. You never fail to make us laugh.
Today I learned, sometimes what we see isn't the whole truth. Love is always there, even when hidden.